inside.
Well, that was a bit of a demo, wasn't it? Para naiba ang show natin ngayon. Pag-usapan po natin kung ano napanood nyo na demonstrasyon. Bakit? Ano yun? Anong ginagawa nila? Para sa atin, ang isang tingin lang, di karate ang dating yan. Our guest today is Reynaldo Yap, head of the Yaoyan. Now, Yaoyan stands for Sayaw ng Kamatayan from the Marikina branch. We also have Kren Isa Mariap, student of Yaoyan, and we have Police Senior Inspector Emma Trinidad, Chief CIDG or the Criminal Investigation and Detention Group of the Investigation Division, Women and Children on the Concerned Desk. Magandang hapon po sa inyo.
Magandang hapon, Sir Harry.
Mr. Yap, ano yung mga napanood natin? Ang tawag ba dyan? Yan ba yung Yaoyan o yan yung karate?
Yung pong napanood natin kanina, yan po ang art ng Yaoyan.
Yaoyan.
Yaoyan po, derived from the two last syllable of Sayaw ng Kamatayan.
Sayaw ng Kamatayan. Death dance?
Dance of Death po.
Dance of Death?
Po.
Bakit? Kailan ba yung Yaoyan? Kailan nag-umpisa ito?
Introduced by our Grandmaster Napoleon Fernandez in 1972.
Ibig sabihin, Pilipino yan?
Opo.
Ang Yaoyan, hindi Hapon, hindi Chinese.
Filipino
so this is a
martial
Filipino discipline martial arts.
Yes.
We have a demo of Yaoyan. Let's see what it looks like compared to what we saw earlier was a bit of kickboxing, ano?
Opo.
Ito, here's a demo of Yaoyan. Maybe you can explain. Explain mo gagawin niya.
So ito yung tema po ng mixed martial arts, no, na sumisipa, sumusuntok, at pwede mong dalhin yung kalaban mo sa ground para balian. That's we call knee bar, no? Yan yung babaliin mo yung...
So the objective is to bring your opponent to the floor.
Yes, exactly. Ayan po, ang...
But this is like karate.
Ayan, dinala niya sa ground, and then pumosisyon siya para baliin yung braso.
So it's a combination of judo or jiu-jitsu and karate.
Combination po actually ng halos lahat ng martial arts. Nandyan po ang Yaoyan, andyan ang combination ng Muay Thai na rin, andyan ang combination ng judo, ng wrestling, at ng jiu-jitsu.
This is by far more physical, more violent than the other three.
Exactly po.
More.
Totoo po yan.
Now, we started this in the Philippines. How did we do this? How did we create this?
No, actually po...
Out of violence? Hindi naman. Kasi I read through your notes. Hindi.
Hindi po. Ito pong ginagawa nila na ground fighting, kailan lang po ito. Pero ang talagang discipline po ng Yaoyan is a purely kickboxing.
Now, maybe you can help demonstrate to us the difference with Yaoyan. I found out that Yaoyan is not just an art or self-defense or what you call the offensive discipline of attacking. They have certain disciplines. For example, you were explaining to me before air, you don't fight pag malabo ang kalaban mo, may kutsilyo nakadikit sa'yo, you wait, may mga disciplines kayo na lalayo muna. Yeah. You were explaining to me earlier that pag may hold-upper, lumapit sa'yo, hinawakan ka ng kutsilyo, hinihingi sa'yo cellphone mo, sinasabi mo, bigay mo. Huwag mo lalabanan, pero lumayo ka ng konti, may labang ka na. Maybe you can ask the demo and you can explain what they're going to do.
Okay. So ito po yung halimbawa, nandiyan ka sa win-win situation. Merong space para i-strikes mo yung kalaban mo, yan ang gagawin mo.
Yung gumaganon.
Malayo eh. May yung sitwasyon, pabor para sa'yo. So, pwede kang lumaban. Pero kung ang nangu-hold up sa'yo eh...
Dikit sa'yo.
Nakadikit sa'yo.
Hinawakan ka na.
At sakal-sakal ka, nakatutok yung kutsilyo.
Wait. Bakit sila nagbow? Parang ano yan Asian yan Hindi naman Pilipino yan
Hindi po. Sign of respect po natin yun.
Pero hindi Pilipino po yun. Hindi tayo nagaganon. Ganun ba Pilipino? Hindi naman. Ang Pilipino, pare. Yo. Hindi, parang hindi po. Gumaganon ba ang Pinoy? Hindi naman
Sa amin po, ang sign of respect is bow and then pagmano.
Mano?
Opo. Pagmano sa mga
elders.
Head. Hindi po, head. Mga head. Kasi Filipino martial arts po ito eh. So, mostly yung mga mga gawain namin gawaing Pampilipino.
More than 50% of the crimes that reach you are against women. Kinakawawa ang babae. So in Yaoyan, you address this issue.
Oh, yes.
The woman can protect herself
Yes,
from a
sir.
strong man?
Yes, sir.
No, how? Malaki mama, ano yun ka? Paano ka lalaban?
Sir, nadadaan po sa techniques.
Dadaan sa technique.
Yes, sir.
Basta lumalayo lang ng konti sa'yo. Kung nakadikit na, paano ka lalaban?
Sir, yun nga po ang turo po
Rape
namin.
is a very physical, is very strong. It's called man overpowering woman.
Yes, sir. But in our technique, kayang-kaya po ng babae na labanan ng lakas ng lalaki. In a
Kaya
rape
ng babae
situation.
ang lakas ng lalaki.
Yes, sir.
How is that possible? No? So it's the discipline of Yaoyan.
Opo.
How did you discover that? How did your masters discover? That's not in karate, that's not in jiu-jitsu or judo.
Well,
Ang galing nyo naman. Talaga, sa Pilipino ito, naisip to. Specifically rape. Do you have a demo for that?
Yes.
yeah, pwede rin. For example,
So please here, you don't mind. Do it in front of the inspector and myself. Tatanggalin mo lang yung mikropono ng konti. Maybe we can see how this is done. It's amazing, no? A woman can actually address the power of the man when they're on top or whatever. Maybe we can explain. There. Go on the floor. Kren, there you go.
So Sir Harry, ito po yung mga example na halimbawa, kung maging makatotohanan po tayo, kung dalawa mang-rape, tatlo, natural, talo talaga ang babae. Walang magagawa ang babae. Pero kung nag-iisa lang ang mang-rape, dahil sa lalaki siya, confident siya, no. Pag ang rinape niya, nag-aral lang yan, ito ang pwedeng mangyari sa kanya. Kung ikaw rapist, papasok ka sa in between the legs.
O, hindi X-Files to, ha? Tunay to, demonstration to.
So, papasok ka sa pagitan ng dalawang paa niya, no? Yan ang objectives mo. Mangre-rape ka. For example, naitukod mo yung kamay mo, there you go. Yan ang pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Okay?
So in one move, you can actually take out the abduction already.
Oh, yes. Kasi hindi mo ini-expect na marunong siya So by the time na nailagay yung kamay mo sa likod, too late na para ilaban mo pa yan.
Doesn't Kren need power also to move the power and the weight of the man who's embedded on top of her? Hindi kaya mabigat din ang lalaki by sheer weight.
No, hindi po. Actually, pag ginagawa nila yan, they were trained to do that to put some power also.
Reverse mo yung power.
Opo. So, pagka pinapractice nila yan, nadidevelop na rin yung power nila to do it apart from technique.
But Kren is relatively muscular. She's empowered. She's not thin. Kung mapayat yung babae, kaya?
Still,
Kaya?
Kaya po.
O sige, maybe we can see how the other
Okay,
demo
so,
goes.
halimbawa naman, ang naging objectives ng lalaki is first to touch her breast, no? Hawakan yung kanyang dibdib. Pag hawak ng dibdib, there you go. Pwede niyang gawin yung armbar. Baliin yung braso.
My God,
lalaki.
in one movement, ang bilis.
Opo. So kung ikaw, isang lalaking rapist, hindi mo ine-expect na gagawin ng babae. All of a sudden, pagpasok nung technique na yon, too late na para ilaban mo. Pasok na siya. There you go, mababali na lang yung
In that
siko mo.
swift move, you can break that elbow.
Exactly. Kaya pong baliin yan.
Okay.
Now, meron pong mga technique na it's more dangerous, no? Ito, mga bali lang. Merong technique na pwede niyang mapatay yung nang-rape sa kanya, no? What we call...
Baliktad, sige.
Oh, yeah. What we call the triangle choke. So, halimbawa, pumasok siya in between the legs.
Yan. Oh.
And then, ina-unzip, halimbawa. There you go. Yan po, simpleng move, no?
Ano yung ginawa niya doon? Inipit yung leeg.
Opo, okay, ikasa mo yung triangle choke, Kren. Ito po ang triangle choke. Diyan, nachuchoke ka. Nawawala ng air yung motor brain mo.
I
So,
see.
exactly parang binibigti ka dyan. Now, kahit na babae siya,
Namula.
kaya niyang tanggalin putulin yung paghinga niya in a matter of 10 to 15
what you
seconds.
did was you choke yung hininga niya with
Opo.
your scissors.
Oh, yes. So in 10-15 seconds, Sir Harry, pwede siyang mamatay.
Hindi, sir, hindi ako karatista. Host lang ako dito. Go ahead.
So yan pwede niyang tanggalan ng buhay yung kinuha niya sa triangle choke.
Okay. Is there any other demo there as far as this is concerned? This is good.
Well,
Okay. There's one more.
So, there's one more. Halimbawa, ito, basic na basic, which halos lahat ng babae pwedeng gawin ito. Simple technique na pwede nilang gawin, ano? Ayan, pumasok halimbawa ang lalaki between your legs.
Correct.
Tatry na hawakan yung mukha mo para halikan ka. There you go. That is what you call a double arm bar. So, dalawang braso mo yung binabali.
Mukhang masakit, ano? The guy is having a hard time
Oh,
with that
exactly,
one
sir.
movement.
Sir, masakit po talaga yan. Masakit po
Masakit?
talaga. Masakit po.
How long does it take, how long did it take Krem to become as good as how she does that?
Well, depende rin sa estudyante, how interested.